This is the Jobby Job office. I've worked in this room Monday to Friday for the last 18 years. And long may that continue. After the best part of 2 decades working in the same room, you could say that I've put my mark on the place. After years of pestering them, the powers that be have bought me a standing desk, and I absolutely love it. There is a problem though. This old filing cabinet that I used to use as my office drawers is 71 centimeters tall. This new desk, because of the motor assembly, at sitting height, I've got 66 centimeters of clearance. The drawers don't fit. So I need a set of drawers for my most used items. So I'm going to make a rolling cart with Eurocrates for drawers that will fit under this desk. Alrighty then, let's have some real talk for a second about mission creep, scope creep, general deviation from the plan. This represents most of the cabinet. Bottom panel, top panel, there will be side panels going on, obviously, to make a box. And my original plan, imagine this is 6 or 8 inches taller up here, that there's a cutting mat glued to this top section and a well that opens up here with a lift out lid, and in there is a toolbox or a space for some tools I use every day: needle nose pliers, tape, glue, scissors, that sort of stuff. But then having an opening on the top of a crate that sits underneath a desk is ridiculous, because every time you want to access it you can have to unlock the casters, wheel it out and lift the lid off. So that's not happening anymore. So then I thought I need just another shelf above, or maybe another crate, but then the crate isn't brilliant, it's not subdivided down. I mean, I could make it aside, but then I thought I have perhaps just the thing. Another glorious find in one of the skips at work is this. This is a drawer from a desk, which has all these very, very handy subdividers already built in. Perfect for putting rolls of tape, hanging your tools on, or putting them up there. And this was obviously put together for a very specific reason. I have no idea what that reason was, but it exists, and it's all hardwood dovetailed together. It's very nice. Welcome to Real Talk Part 2 in this build. Let's have a talk about paint choices. Now, I was aiming for a kind of Bauhaus inspired colour scheme here, but I've glanced off that and I've ended up in the 1992 United Colours of Benetton catalogue. It looks bad here, and it's even worse when it's assembled. So, remember the 90s? 90s were brilliant, weren't they? Just the best. No responsibilities. The biggest thing coming out of your bank was your pager subscription. Good times. Good times.